Welcome back to Next Lux Reviews, the channel where innovation meets imagination, where we explore the future of luxury on wheels, air, and beyond. And today, we've got something that blends practicality with futuristic brilliance. Something not just made for billionaires, but built for dreamers, explorers, and families who love the road as much as the destination. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Toyota Motorhome 2026 concept. A smart, electric, and sustainable luxury home on wheels that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but built with the reliability and heart Toyota is known for. The first thing you notice is its design. Sleek, modern, and aerodynamic, with futuristic Japanese minimalism mixed with bold proportions. The front carries Toyota's new Infinity Flow design language, featuring a smooth, continuous body with hidden seams and integrated lighting. The ultra-slim, laser headlights curve around the corners, giving it a sharp, tech-inspired presence, while the reimagined grille glows with Toyota's emblem on a digital panel that adapts to your driving mode. The pearl-white finish with chrome edges gives it a luxurious shimmer that makes the whole vehicle look alive under sunlight. From the side, it's clear how smartly Toyota designed every inch. Aerodynamic, functional, with retractable mirrors, hidden handles, and solar glass panels stretching across the roof. The panoramic windows wrap the cabin, offering an open, airy atmosphere with smart tinting for privacy, while 22-inch aero alloys adjust their blades to reduce drag and recharge internal kinetic energy modules. The rear design is pure harmony. Full-width LED taillights pulse when braking, and an extendable rear deck lets you create an outdoor lounge anywhere. Step inside, and you realize this isn't just a vehicle. It's an intelligent, living ecosystem. The onboard AI, T-Connect Neo, greets you with personalized lighting, temperature, and music based on your mood. Soft floor lighting guides your steps, while the skylight adjusts tint automatically for comfort. The living space reflects Toyota's Japanese omotenashi philosophy of heartfelt hospitality. Eco-leather seats that rotate 360 degrees, a modular table that transforms for work or dining, and a retractable 60-inch OLED screen paired with a JBL Quantum surround system for cinematic experiences. The kitchen is a masterpiece of compact design. Quartz countertops that self-clean, an induction cooktop, refrigerated drawers, and a smart water and coffee system, all voice-activated. The washroom, inspired by luxury yachts, features a rainfall shower, heated mirror, and a self-sanitizing smart toilet with water recycling. The bedroom, called the Zen Pod, offers ultimate relaxation with a smart queen bed that adjusts firmness, bamboo panels, ambient lighting, and an aroma diffuser. A ceiling projector can display stars or waves, while a smart wardrobe keeps clothes fresh during long trips. The rear lounge expands outward with the push of a button, creating extra space for a kid's bunk, a yoga zone, or simply a peaceful viewing deck. Powering it all is Toyota's next-generation solid-state battery system, delivering up to 950 horsepower through dual electric motors. It's whisper-quiet, fast, 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds, and capable of a 700-mile range, plus up to 80 extra miles from solar charging. Its self-drive touring mode takes over highway travel, selecting scenic routes, adjusting suspension, and parking itself automatically. The Air Adaptive suspension with LiDAR sensing ensures a smooth ride across all terrains, while Toyota's Guardian mode keeps you safe with 360-degree sensors and emergency assist features. Expected to start around $1.9 million USD if produced, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 concept represents more than luxury. It's freedom, innovation, and sustainability for those who want to explore without compromise. It's not just for the ultra-rich. It's for the modern adventurer who values smart living and clean energy. The Toyota Motorhome doesn't shout wealth. It whispers intelligence, balance, and peace. If Bugatti's concept is the king of power and prestige, then Toyota's is the master of calm and perfection, a sanctuary that moves with your soul. So what do you think? Would you take this futuristic Toyota across the country, or stick with traditional camping? Let me know in the comments, and if you loved exploring this incredible vision of the future, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because here on Next Lux Reviews, We don't just review, we reveal the future of travel and luxury. One masterpiece at a time. Until next time, stay curious, stay driven, and I'll see you on the road to the future.